Welcome back to this login and register tutorial of this Angular 8. And in the previous video you saw that how this login and authentication was working here. Now in this video I'm going to show you that how we can authenticate any page. So first of all, let's go to this page. You may have noticed here in this page that I had written a code called window.localstorage.setItem. So now this is the time to discuss about this. Here we have applied a condition if data.token. That means if inside data the token is true. Okay, so if you want to check here in console.log, then let me show you that data.token. Okay, so now let's check this token. If you write something wrong here, then it doesn't, then it says undefined. The token is saying undefined. Okay, but in case I provide here correct user and password, say Umar, and then 1 2 3 4 5, in that case let's see that the token here, you can see it is showing here the bearer and JSDF whatever I have written here. So where does it come from? It comes from our API, from this page, this token. If the username and password is correct, in that case the token is this one. So now here we are checking if token is there, is defined. So token can be true only if the username and password the user has put true. Only then the token will be true. So now if the token is true, in that case set item token and data.token. As well as when we log in, we should be redirected to that page. Okay, so we were discussing about this. Okay, so what happens here? Look, it is set as local, this one, the key and value pair. So where does it is saved actually? So if you want to check, then go to here, the storage. After network you will see this, then click on storage, and then in the left side you can see local storage. Okay, here this local storage, then click this one, then you can see the token is whatever we have put in the key and this one value. So now we will check in this page, in add page. So where is add page? So is students, then Latin. Inside the student there is add. Okay, so in this one we will check here. So now let's fetch the data from here. So we have written here window.localstorage set item. Alright, so here we will write get item window.get item. Okay, and then this token, and then semicolon. So let's put it into variable. So we will write here token equals to token, then any So this is the token key and value. Now let's go to this page, this one actually, and here add components.ts file we will create here token, so any here instance variable, and then this dot token equals to, we will get its value. If you want to check its value, then console.log and check here if the value is displaying or not. So now let's open this page, add component for registration page, and check here in console.log. You can see this one is our token. So now on the basis of this, we will check here if this dot token, this dot not this dot token. In that case, router here this will redirect to, if it's false, in that case it will redirect to login page. Now let's go to here and try to open this page. Then it is opening perfectly. Now let's go to here storage, and then let's clear this. Right click and delete all. Now refresh the page, and then you can see it redirects me to this login page. That means unauthenticated person cannot access this page, this ad page. If anyone tries to access, then it redirects to login page. Now if you want to verify, then once again Umar, and then 1 2 3 4 5 the correct username password. So let's do one thing, try with some different username, and then try to access here. So of course it won't allow to access the page. So if I write here user and 1 2 3 4 5 and then try to log in here, then it is successfully logged in. And then in login page also we can provide here this if everything is fine, so it's already there, so it should redirect me to this router here. Okay, so let's try to log in again, and then Omar, and then 1 2 3 4 5. Once logged in, it redirects me to the view page. Now if I try to click here, then it allows me to enter. Now let's create a button, say logout. So let's go to this add component HTML here, and then somewhere here I'm going to create div logout. Now if ng if login not valid, not invalid. Okay, so or we can write something like this here. So logged in true, it should be somewhere. Let's logged in here. This dot logged in equals to true. And we need to write here ng on it. So we will set this logged into true. Okay, so it requires some wider spacing. Okay, now it's fine. Login is true, and then we will check here in its template file ng if logged in true. Logged in. So let's delete this, and here let's remove this single quote. Okay. What is showing? Sign over to string, so it is string. Here boolean we have to provide. Logged in boolean, and initially of course it will be similarly same like this. Boolean logged in will be false, and after logged in it should put it to true. And also or actually we don't need this one. Without it we can use here we are getting here the token. So on the basis of token we can check here add component.html here. Div and then div close. Here will be logout. I'm sorry, I was writing here actually, so of course it is not required any login page. So the logout, this logout section will be in any other page apart from login. So this now let's write here. So ng if token star ng if equals to this one, the token. Okay, and then if token is true, that means if there is something inside token, in that case it will display logout, because token will be true only if the user is logged in. So now let's try by checking this page. So you can see it is displaying logout, but after clicking here logout, it should redirect to login page. So inside this component page, let's create a function called logout, and then here this local storage window.local storage remove item, here will be remove item token, and then it will navigate to login page. So normally this should be in common page like header page. Okay, so now if I one more thing, so here we need to add code here. Button, okay, button, and then here button. So click, here will be click equals to logout. Now let's try this. Oh, there is something wrong. Template parser, character class logout, somewhere there is mistake. And this one also, the button was not closed properly. Now let's try. Okay, so if I click on this logout is not a function, so looks like logout, the O is capital. Now click here. Well, that is not a function. Here I added. Add component. Yeah, it's working now. So again, if you try to access that add page, so it won't allow you to open that page, rather it will redirect you to login page. Now if you write your correct one, Umar, and then 1 2 3 4 5 and then login, then it redirects you to this page, and then if you try to open now, then you can open this page. So this way you can create a register page, you can use login page, you can create login page, and also you can authenticate through API, and also you also created this logout page. So with this, for the time being, this is complete. But remember, this is very simple way to authenticate any page. So suppose you have 100 page and 200 pages components. In that case, in every component you need to write this code for checking purpose. But Angular provides a better way to handle this authentication system, and that is called route guards. So in future I will also create a video regarding that auth guard, but for the time being that's it. So hope guys you like this video. Thanks for watching.